Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be stuffing my saving challenges, and I have $13 in donations that I just added to this. Woo! I have mostly ones in here because I'm going to be doing some of the saving challenges, and so yeah, let's go ahead and get started. But first I'm going to use the sort quick so that I can count the money really fast. Alright, you guys, so let's go ahead and start counting. We have 5, 10, 15, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think that's 12. Yeah. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have $55. I know that in one of these challenges, we're actually going to be completing one of them. So I am actually so excited for it. So for this one, I'm putting $5 with it. So for the 20 envelope challenge, I'm going to go ahead and put a $5 in it. And we're going to color it with that green marker, which is over here. All right, and now we have a total of $25. I did do a little bit of condensing in this binder because there was a lot of ones, so I had to make room for them. So I condensed them. So now we have $25 in the 20 envelope challenge. Okay, so the dollar challenge, this is the one with the grapes. I am going to be putting, what did I do? I'm just only going to be putting $1 in here. So let's go ahead and put $1 in there. And get a marker. Let's see. Let's do this one here. And now we have a total of $22. All right, so the next one that I'm going to be doing is the Lucky Savings. I'm going to be putting $5 into this one. This binder is a little bit hard to get used to because it doesn't have like the structure like the leather ones do. So it keeps sliding and stuff. So it's a little bit hard to get used to. So for the $5 Lucky Savings, so far I have 20, 40, and 50. I'm going to add a 5. So that's 55 we have in there. And then I'm going to find the green marker. Is that the green marker? No. That is not the marker I was using. This one is. Let me get the other one. Is that the right one? I guess. And now we have a total of 20, 40, 55. So 55. I already counted that. I don't know why I counted it again. Okay, and this saving challenge came from Wendy Kasper. She makes really cool stuff, and she also does things with her Cricut, and she does tutorials on how to make these challenges and stuff. So you guys go over to Wendy Kasper and go check out her channel. She has really cool stuff on there. We are going to finish this last row in the Easter egg challenge. And then what we're going to do with the Easter egg challenge is we're going to actually put this money towards my credit card so that I can pay some down on my credit card. So we're going to do a total of $7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7. And it should equal up to $31. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 20 is 31. So yay guys, we finished the Easter egg challenge. Let me go ahead and color those. Alright guys, we finished the Easter egg saving challenge. Yay! So now I'm going to be putting $5 into the hop into saving that Wendy Kasper gave me. So we're going to go ahead and count 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And thank you so much, Wendy, for making that. I'm going to do blue. I'm going to do them in blue because blue is, I believe, Wendy's favorite color, and it's also my favorite color as well. So I'm going to color it blue. So yeah, there we go. Thank you so much, Wendy, for sending me that little tracker. I'm going to try saving as much as I can with it. All right, and now it's time for Level Up. All right, so far with the Level Up game, we have saved $33. And now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be rolling the dice, and then I'm going to double that. All right, so let's go ahead and roll the dice. I have a 5, so 5 and 5 is 10. So I put $10 into the Level Up minigame. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. So now we have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 23, 43. So we have $43 now in the Level Up minigame. If you guys would like to get a Level Up minigame as well and play along, you guys can go to my website called ryancollet.com. Get yourself a game board and also a envelope insert. You can get a A6 size or a full page size. And my board looks a little bit different from the one that I uploaded. The one that I uploaded is a lot more random. This one I kind of went in order, so it's a little bit different from your version. But it still works pretty much the same way. So now I'm going to color the 2 and the star. So let's go ahead and do that. And I believe I have $2 that I can actually put in to the $2 one. So I actually have $3 I could do. So 1 and 2, that's 3. So $3 more added to it. So that's a total of $46. Should we go with another color or should we stay with the red? I'm gonna go ahead and stay with the red and then go from there. All right, so there we go, $46 in the Level Up game so far. Now I'm not doing the scratch and stuff yet because that is actually a 500 subscriber giveaway. The next thing that is up is the low income savings. So we are going to take out the money here and count it. So that's $15 so far. And we're going to stuff the 6 on here. All right, here's my black marker. So we're gonna go ahead and stuff $6. 5 and 6. So now we only have 7, 8, 9, and 10. We're almost done with this one as well. All right, and now it's time for my on time for work. So let me tell you a little bit of what happened. So I was on time on Monday and Tuesday. I was late on Wednesday. On Thursday, I was sick, so I didn't go, so I just blacked it out. And then on Friday, I was actually on time. So I'm going to go ahead and put a green on this one. And that is going to be 2, 4, 6. So that's $6 that I'm going to be adding to it. So that's 5, 6, 7. Wait, no, 5 and 6. There we go. I don't know why I was kept on counting. And now we have a total of 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And now, since I actually got finished with this, I can now exchange it with a brand new one. And I get to color today, which is Monday. And Monday, I was actually on time. It feels so good to be on time. I'm going to try to get on time all day this week. I mean, all day this week. I'm going to be trying to get on time all this week so that I can get $10 and I can just, save a lot. And with the money that I have in here, I'm going to actually add it towards the credit card. So I'm going to go ahead and just take the money out and add it with the money from the Easter egg challenge. And I'm going to do a final counting of how much I'm going to be putting towards my credit card. All right, so now for my subscriber goal, we are at 526 the last time I checked. And with my watch time, we are at 571, I think. So it's almost at 600, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and subscribing to me. I really appreciate it. And now we're going to try the Struggle Bus game. So the Struggle Bus game is actually from Amanda's Budgets. I actually got, oops, sorry, I moved the camera. I actually got this game from her Etsy website, and it's really, really fun. I haven't started it yet, but I'm going to do it right now. So we just need a dice, and it says roll a single dice to move from space to space. When you land on a cash denomination, add to your envelope. When you land on a pick a card space, pick a struggle bus card from your deck and follow the instructions. Roll and pick cards as many times as you need to finish the game. Take your time or play as long as your cash will hold out. Good luck. Thanks, Amanda, for this. So I bought this on her Etsy website, and I'm going to be starting it right now. It comes with the board. It comes with the envelope that you can put your cash in. And it also comes with some cards. And each card has its own little saying on it. I don't know if you can see, but each card has its own saying, and you basically have to do what the card tells you to do. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, let me make some room. Go ahead and roll a 1. So I have to stuff $2. So $2 so far. A 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So $3. 1, 2, 3. And I think I'm going to stop it there because I only have $2 left. So what I'm going to do with those $2 is probably put it into the grape challenge. So thank you so much, Amanda, for this cool game. I'm gonna play this. I think it's pretty fun. All right, so the $2 that I had left over, I'm gonna put it into the grape challenge. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in there, and we're gonna color. Where is that marker? There it is. I'm gonna color 2 more. So 1 and 2. Alright guys, so that wraps up the saving challenges. If you guys love this video, go ahead and give it a like and comment down below what you loved about this video so I know how to improve my videos in the future. And now I'm gonna actually count how much money I'm actually gonna be putting towards my credit card. Are you ready? So we have 20, 40, 45, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we're gonna put $60 towards my credit card. I can't believe we finished the Easter egg saving challenge. That was really fun, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.